Got the baddest bitch in the city, so don't fuck around. Know them hoes is out to get me, they don't hold me down. Know me now, act like you don't know me now. Let my bitch off the purse, she get 100 rounds. 100 rounds, hold me down.
Alright y'all, so today we are working with this closure wig from Nadula hair. It's 32 inches. Y'all know I be low-key liking my little closure wigs or whatever. I don't know, it's just, they so easy to put on, and I feel like because I know how to body it, it don't really bother me that it's a closure sometimes. Unless it comes to the time where I want to, like, I can't, because you know it's a closure. We're doing this closure wig, and I think I'm gonna throw some crimps in there, whatever the case may be, and we're gonna get this look quick, very simple, very cute for all my girls who don't like frontal wigs, whatever the case may be. Y'all know I got you. Even if you want a little closure wig on the side, I got a video for that. Got videos for all types of stuff. So we about to get this wig on and continue with our day or whatever. I don't want to keep y'all here too long. I got my tools here. We got that Arrogant Take crimper. Boom, boom, bow. Did I put it down a level? I sure did. But let me just show y'all a few products that I will be using today. So I'm using my Erica J wax stick. Y'all know I love my Erica J products, period. Then I'm also gonna be using Nairobi, my Eben lace adhesive spray. I got the black, the red, and a yellow. The black one is really my favorite, and I'm still trying to learn what's for what as far as the other two colors. But I'm gonna do a little bit more research so I can give y'all a little bit more gems and all that. But for right now, I've been heavy on the black can. I have it in this size. This is the 14.2 fluid ounce, and this is the 2.7 fluid ounce, so travel size. I'm gonna make sure I keep this in my car. You always need a little, you know, holding spray or some type of adhesive, spray adhesive quick, little travel size. Even if you need, like, you know, a little glue, just that little Erica J glue that I have. And you gotta, you know, keep it on hand, because sometimes if it's lifting, you'll want to be walking around with your legs open. So that's what we're gonna be using. Of course, the Arrogant Take crimper. We're gonna be using the hot comb, and also we're using a product that I did not use in a while. I did not use my BioSilk. BioSilk, I used to live by BioSilk, and I started using the Beyond the Zone Turn Up the Heat hair protected, flat iron protected, I believe it's called. Yeah, it helps with heat damage and stuff like that. This is very lightweight, and it doesn't weigh your hair down at all. This, you have to really know how to use it, because it can weigh your hair down if you put too much. And I've used this so much in my life, so it's like I kind of really know what I'm doing. But these are my top two favorites. I'm not gonna lie, this right here, this is still one of my favorites. This is like an OG, so I feel like I could never get rid of it. It's just, you do what you kind of, you know. You could put a generous amount of this on, and your hair will not be oily, stringy, nothing. So be careful though. That don't mean spritz it down. It's not that. But y'all know what I'm saying. So anyways, now that y'all know that, let's get this closure wig on real quick and style it up. I also forgot to mention that I'm using my Sebastian Shaper. Y'all know I live by my Sebastian Shaper Plus, and that's one of my favorite. I don't want to say, it's not really a holding spray for me. Well, it is a holding spray, period, but it's not as strong as the Sebastian Shaper Plus, which I heard is like a got-to-be kind of consistency. I never used it, but the Sebastian does me right, and it just does good with, it goes really well with my wax stick and just laying down my hair and everything like that. Most of the stuff y'all see me using videos all the time, but I just wanted to let y'all know. I got new viewers. How y'all doing? If y'all don't know, now y'all know, put y'all into some good ass products or whatever the case may be. And if I'm gonna still be doing some hair videos, we gonna go all the way anyway. So now y'all know I haven't had braids in so long, so this is what my hair is looking like right now. And I know it's giving like alien egghead a little bit. Don't come for me, because y'all be looking the same if you wear wigs too. Yeah, I'm just gonna color it. I do want to wash my hair and braid it on camera. I want to try to do that today. Tomorrow? I have no idea, but I want to try to do that because I want my wigs to lay real flat, especially the red one and the PDC wig. So I'm debating, but I don't know if I'm gonna have time, and if I'm gonna do my natural hair on camera, I really want to give it to y'all like the best. So it's just one of those things. I'm gonna just take my concealer. If y'all don't know, my RK by Kids concealer in the shade 12. I kind of want to say I vary between a 12. I don't think they have an 11. I don't remember seeing that 11. They might, I don't know. But I vary between a 10 and a 12, because I recently realized they have new packaging, and I don't think new formulas. I don't think it's that deep, but they have new the tones are just a bit like different. So it's just one of those things where it's just like, I guess you gotta just kind of eyeball it, because I usually always wear 12. If you watch my hair videos, you know I always wear 12, but it just ain't been working out like that lately. So when I put this cap on, usually I like to slide it back a little bit, but I'm gonna keep it in the front and slide it back just a teeny bit, because it'll be easier to blend with the cap. So I'm definitely gonna do that. Now with an HD lace, you don't really technically have to tint it, but I'm gonna tint mine because I just feel like even HD lace, if it'll blend, but I feel like if it's not your exact skin tone, it's gonna leave like a white, like shadowy, Cassie look, and we don't want that, nor do we need that, especially if you are any type of melanin. Like, I'm pretty sure it could look ashy if you're like a light skin tone, but I'm talking about us right now, and we don't need that, because people already be fiending to clock us, and we don't need to be clocked that much. Like, you're fiending, why you all on my face staring at me? The fuck. But yeah, so let's get this on real quick, style it, and let's come back for some commentary. right, y'all, so I'm not sure. I gotta do the baby hairs. I'm all sitting all in the back, like, fuck up. Yeah, I don't, in the back, I want it to kind of relax a little bit. You see how I want it to be big, but I still want it to be like a little bit more chill too. So I'll probably put some mousse on the back and just tame it down a little bit, even though they are gonna drop too. But now I need to work on this part. You see, I gotta define that, make it look a little bit better, and then I gotta mess with these baby hairs. So I think I'm gonna mess with the baby hairs and tie the wigs in and then do this part. Yeah, because this part gotta be last. This is gonna be messy, so I'm gonna do this part last. So we almost done. Baby hairs, and then we're done. All right, y'all, so let's take off the little tie. Okay, cute little baby hands or whatever. Hold on, I need to comb these out because y'all know we don't do crunchy baby hairs, but I don't want to comb them out too much. So just a little bit. I'm not gonna lie, this is when this little travel size thing. Nah, I ain't want too much comes in, because once you comb it out too much, sometimes it'll lose its shape, and I definitely don't want that. So I already know I'm gonna want to comb it out again because of the spritz, but at least if I get it in the shape I want, by the time the spritz sets in and all that, I'm gonna be good to go. I'm not even gonna touch that no more because that I'm gonna want to keep it like that. All right, y'all, so I gotta put something on my lips. So let's get the lipping real quick. Okay, guys, so this is the final look. This is what the hair is looking like. This is what the knots and the baby hair. Let me just zoom in. I'm all in y'all face. I gotta bend down a little bit. But this is what the knots and the blending gives. Let me show you how long the hair is. So this is how long the hair is. I gotta tippy toe a little bit for y'all. Very nice, very long, very full. Quick little 1, 2, you know. And I'm loving it. I love the way it came out. I came to take some nice pictures. The sun is out, girl. I'm about to go take some pictures. Y'all know, have a go, whatever. And yeah, let me know down below in the comments what y'all think about this look. Very cute, subtle, simple with a little bit of glam volume. You know how it goes. Like if you like this video, and subscribe if you want to see more videos from Mwah. And I'm gonna see y'all in my next video. And tune into this vlog because we about to see what this here is really giving while mom's side and all that today.
Got a bitch in the city, so don't fuck around. Know them hoes is out to get me, they don't hold me down. Know me now, act like you don't know me now.